Huh?
Why does that circle keep coming open?
What?
That circle keeps coming open.
Oh, I know.
Okay, tip it back. I want to take a look at the motor.
Be careful. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's hitting the back. It's hitting the back, that's why. Wait, leave it. See if it just gets to max speed. And then have a look after.
Hello there.
Hold on, close
What about
it.
here?
No, let go. Close it. Sit on it if you want. Well, at least you know it's the brushes that need replacing.
Yeah. Wow.
Should we pause it?
Nah, don't.
Should we pause it now? Close the door and let it slow down. Can I pause it?
Yeah.
Hold the door then. Hold the door. Wait. Hold it like that.
Let's see if it kissy, glassy. Let's see if it does a Luke's hot point. Oh, sort of. I sort of.
Wait a minute. Look at that. It hit. That scratch. That's a scratch.